What's up guys? Here with a quick tip. So if you have a GoPro with the media mod, you got a pretty good setup. But if you're like me, you thought, I wonder if I can get a better sounding microphone. Now you've seen me wear the lapel mics, but I actually bought one of these. This is the RØDE VideoMicro. Well, if you get one of these, you're going to be very disappointed when you put it onto your GoPro and you see this. You can see it's in the frame. I have a little quick tip for you. Let me show you this. I found this little guy on Amazon. It is a cold shoe offset. As you can see, there's a cold shoe on the bottom and then a cold shoe mount here. So you mount it to where the microphone is behind the camera. I'll show you. So we put the microphone like that. And now when I put it onto the camera, you no longer see it. And so in case you were curious, the sound difference between the microphone that comes with the media mod and this RØDE VideoMicro, I'm going to plug it in right now while you listen. Okay, so here's your sound difference. Hope you found this useful. I'll put a link to that little mount in the description. I don't get any money from it, but I just wanted to help you out. Thanks for watching.